Hello. Do you want to know exactly what's the Instagram dimension for video and photo? Watch this video. Hi. With Instagram, you must have a specific dimension for videos or image to upload to the Instagram. Actually, on Instagram, they have the guideline for the size of each video and image. And today I will show you exactly each one of those and what exactly the dimension is required by Instagram. First, let me open the website Pixlr, this website, pixlr.com, and I will go to Pixlr E. Here I will go to create, and from here I will go to the large size because I need to show large size of image. I'll click create. Of course, I choose background here. I will choose it as white background, it's fine, and I will click create. Okay, now let me bring first the first dimension for the whole Instagram cover page. I'll go to layer, I'll go to add image, and I will go to Instagram here, and I will choose this one. So as you can see, this is the dimension for the cover page. It's 420 by 654 pixel. So keep in mind, when you choose an image for the cover for your page, must be exactly this dimension. Otherwise it will be some part of the image out, or it will be too small. Okay, so this is the dimension for the cover. Let me put this in a side like this, and then let me start to bring one by one a photo dimension. Let me start first by bring the landscape photo dimension. Okay, so I will click here, I will go to add image as a layer, and I will choose this one. As you can see, it's large. Okay, what size is this? 1920 pixel by 1080 pixel. This is the large landscape photo. Keep in mind, it's photo. Okay, if you want to upload large photo, this is the right dimension for the photo. Okay, what's next? Next one, it's this 1080 by 1350. This is the second dimension. Okay, so now we have two. The first one, 1080 by 1920. This is a landscape dimension, large photo. The second one, it's 1350 pixel by 1080. Okay, what else we have? We have number 3, this one. It is 1080 by 1080. It's square photo, and this is the most popular size on Instagram. Yes, you can upload this one, you can upload this size as well, but this is the popular one because it's reasonable size for the program itself. Okay, so keep in mind to always try to choose this image size if you want. Okay, now let us go for the last one. It's D. Here it is. And this one, as you can see, it's 1080 by 608 pixel. This is the smallest image dimension for Instagram. How many size we have? We have 4: A, B, C, and D. Of course, it's entirely up to you to choose which size you want, but as I mentioned earlier, it's recommended to use this one because it says it's good size for the program itself. Okay, have you noticed something strange here? All these 4 sizes, it's shared with one dimension. Which one? Have a look. There's one dimension, it's shared between all of this. It's 1080. You find it here. 1080. You find it here. 1080. It's here. 1080. It's here. So this 1080, it's shared between the 4 size dimension, photo dimensions. Let us prove this. If we put this on top of this, it's fit from here to here. Okay, let me bring the third one, again the same. Let me put the fourth one, exactly the same. So all 4 size, it's shared with one dimension. It's 1080. So keep in mind, any image you uploaded, it has to be at least one of the dimension, it's 1080 pixels. Okay, I will leave a link with an image so you can download it and keep it with you to keep it all time in your phone. And when you upload a photo or take a photo or shoot a video, you know what size you need to make it for Instagram to accept your photo. Okay, so now we finish from photo A, photo B, photo C, photo D, as you can see. Instagram, actually, it's used by phone, and it's depending on what phone do you have. So you need to choose the size it's fit with your phone model or made. It's not every phone it work the same. No, it's different phone, different model, different size screen. It work with different image size. Okay, and as I said, I will leave a link with a page to show you all of this, so you can download it and keep it with you, so you know with your phone which one is suitable for you. Okay, we finish with this, but Instagram is not just photo. Instagram is video also. For this, I will go to show you what's video dimension you need to do. Okay, so let me go here to the layer, add image as a layer, and I will choose this one first. As you can see, again, it's shared with 1080. Keep in mind, this size, this dimension, it's almost everywhere. The only change is the other number. Okay, this is the size of your video, the dimension. Okay, it has to be 1080 by 920 pixel, and the time maximum 60 seconds. Again, the size of the video dimension, it's 1080 by 920 and maximum 60 seconds. This is the normal average video size. There is another size for video. As I said earlier, each phone, each model, it's different size. Okay, some phone it has a small screen with a small camera, and some phone it's large screen with a large camera. It can take a large shot or bigger video. The second one, it's a landscape. It's here, and we will go to this one. So this is the landscape for video. Also, as I said to you, it's sharing with this number 1080. What this number, it's shared for everything, image and video dimension. You'll find this, it must be one of them, it's this. And this is a different one, this one 608, but this one 920. This is landscape video dimension. And keep in mind also, it's 60-second long, no longer than 60 seconds, it's 1 minute. So if you shot, for example, some videos like 3-4 minutes and you try to upload it to Instagram, the system will reject it. Okay, it must be maximum 60 seconds long. Also, I will put this in description below with a link. You can download it and you keep it and you choose which one is suitable for your phone, because different phone, different model, different screenshot, it's different size. So you will choose which one is the right for your phone. Okay, I will keep this, the photo, this one, in the link on description below the video, so you can download it, or you can keep it, or you can just remember it all the time. What size is your phone for video dimensions? Okay, I hope this video, it will help you to do the right size image for Instagram and the right size video for Instagram. If you have any question, please ask and I will answer all your comments about this video. And if you learn something new here, please, before you leave, just click on subscribe to encourage me to make more videos and to teach more. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.